Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're open. Oh, man, our favorite swing RDW is just freaking monster. We got a partial here on RDW for over 50%. Oh, jeez. Shit. I forgot to run my bot programs. We're good now, though. All right. Holy shit. Ford! Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Ford. Holy cow. I'm going to take this down to runners. ASTS setting up nicely. GS going for it. IBM going for it over the pre-market high. RDW, a great way to play ASTS, honestly, man. And it has way less fake outs. What a move from Ford, though. Wow. and winning. Wow, huge wins this morning, guys. Sorry, I haven't taken many new trades. We're just kind of collecting profits from stuff we took yesterday. Wow. All right, our Tesla position's in the green here. ASTS is rallying as well. I don't know. It's a little bit hard to enter here, but we're kind of not missing it though because RDW is so strong. So not too much FOMO there. We want Tesla to fire right through this level. It doesn't look amazing. It's got to get over it. You got to get over 427. And you kind of have to do it in short order. Microsoft is kind of setting up over the pre-market high. 65 improving. 30-minute did flip. Okay, we might be looking at an opportunity on Microsoft here. It might take more of the day to actually pull through. Let's actually swap this for USO and watch oil here. Back testing. Looks like it's going to fail. The only thing I don't like about Microsoft is how ass that RVOL is. I got entry on Microsoft for Monday contracts. Or that can't be right. Monday market's closed. Must be wait. Tuesday contracts. There's some brand lag on that one. Dude, do I gotta roll RDW up more? I can't do it here. Real quick, let me check the daily here. We're so extended. All right, I'll take it down to runner here. Let's take some more profits. We're so crazy extended. MRK should be on watch. It's starting to set up. Look at this gap. They flipped to 65 at the 15-minute firing. They flipped the 30-minute as well. This could become a trendy day. Trying to see what I can get filled in at 250s for 250s for June 18th on net. I'm feeling it. I'm trying to feel it out with one contract just to see where they're going to fill me at. They don't want to sell these to me. What the? What are you going to sell these to me for? What do I got to pay? I've also stared at this too long. Let me pull up the big chart here. IBM 15-minute flipping. It looks like they tried to drag this down and buyer stepped in. So we should keep an eye on that. Leader. We've got some names pulling back. I got filled in net at 364. Such wide spreads. I don't know if I'm going to add to that. I think I'm just going to leave the one swing on there just to keep an eye on it. Kind of want to try a USO shirt, but I don't know. The technicals right now actually look good for a log. RDW is just chasing ASTS so hard. So hard. Now over 17. What a monster, baby. Let's go. Holy shit. Holy shit. I might have pussyfooted around a little too much. This thing is so strong. RDW, an absolute killer. I'm eyeing IBM here. I don't know, man. This one's tough. I don't know if I like it. I almost like it. Like, we're getting the flip. They could flip the 30 here. I think I'm going to chase that one higher. I got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control, 'cause there's message in my bones. Ford, a monster, continuing the run. We bought the Microsoft, and it's starting to pick up here. Would like to see a stronger move. Software as a whole is really strong right now. I might want to keep net up here because we got some comments on the video earnings. I took the swing. I think it gets easier over 218. Okay, I'm not sure if my focus is good today. What's moving? Oh, software is moving. Oh, wait. Look at all this. Look at all that green. Dell up 11% today. AMD got a big move but gave it all up. Oracle leader on the day. I mean, just straight up. Irene chasing? Hopefully, want to see that. I don't see that. How unfortunate. Looking for a partial on Microsoft here. 245. We'll see if we get that push. I need that push higher. So far, there's no reason for me to not be patient with the market, even though USO kind of creeping up here. Oh, NVIDIA. You don't want to see NVIDIA doing that. I'm gonna buy some NVIDIA puts, man. I mean, we're breaking this weekly low here. And I'm seeing some weakness across the market. I actually secured a little bit more of our forward profits here. NVIDIA puts printing. Be a little bit more patient with Microsoft. I want to see a bounce here. USO call might be the move as a hedge. What was running yesterday was ARM. And ARM actually still looks good here. ARM's about to flip on the 65 minute. Or the 15 minute. 30 minutes setting up. Show me the bigger, I want to see a bigger picture. Okay, bigger picture is we're absolutely parabolic. So you're trying to like, if you play it, you're trying to scalp the top. Maybe some dailies are playable. This is worrisome right here. VIX is still healthy though, as you would expect with the market at all-time highs. High or low? NVIDIA went red. Google went red. MU went red. SKDK down 3%. $15-minute flipping. 65-minute getting weak. I'm out of RDW here. With 135% returns. Microsoft needs to catch bids here. I'm going to cut it. Hey guys, there's some definite signs of weakness here, okay? Wow, Irene actually trying to catch some bids here. What is this? What is going on here? What is going on here? We got NVIDIA selling off, and we got software trying to take the lead. I don't think so. No. That's not what I want to see. That's not what I want to see at all. Why am I seeing so many signs of rotation? We don't want that. We don't want that at all. We don't want to see that. We want to see AI continue to lead if we want to leave our bullish positions on. Oh my god, dude. Do I just fucking buy this and look for the breakout? Or is it gonna fail here? I hate this. I need this to flip green. How expensive are these Junes right now? It's I don't know I don't know this one well enough. It's honestly not that expensive, even with this pump back up to the highs. Okay, so there's huge volume. I'll set up a small swing for June. I'm looking for a reason to stay in Microsoft, and I'm not seeing it. I'm going to swap this back to USO. I got to keep an eye on it. I had the 215 put for NVIDIA. It's printing nicely. Bad things. Oh, they actually bought that from me. How many profits was that? What is... We have a Morning Star. It's probably 15-minute here. Or Evening Star. Evening Star. Evening Star. Bearish. Ooh, Ford. Bro, never made this much money on from Ford in my life. Not ever. Not ever. Not ever. Waiting. I'm willing to sell a NVIDIA partial for 3.7. We're almost in the money here. Evening Star played out on SPY. Futures traders. That's a good hit. Let's see if it gives this up. Let's see if we have the 10-minute confirmation here. Not yet, but it could play out. Market can puke. I don't know. I have to say, there's plenty of signs of weakness, man. There really was. I'm about to cut Microsoft here. I'm wearing thin on patience. I don't got much patience. Got to bounce right here. SPY's got to defend this. It hasn't given us the 10-minute signal to get out. Actually, I wonder if Microsoft has. Microsoft has. Ooh, I'm probably a little too patient. Let's see how it acts here. I really want my NVIDIA partial, man. I think I'm going to adjust to 3.6 just to get something locked in. I'm not losing exposure. It's just a partial. I got my NVIDIA partial a little bit earlier than I wanted, but I wanted to get it on the board. And it's at 3.7 now. Yeah, I was just getting a little impatient. I was getting a little antsy. I should be a little antsy with Microsoft. I'm trying to lock in profits, but I'm not cutting loser. What am I doing? I'm going to cut Microsoft here. I'm out. Amateur hour. IBM puking to major support here. Had good flows this morning and gave it all up. Gave it all up. NVIDIA puts up 26% here. MRK up 16% here. NVIDIA up 30% here. Arval climbing as this thing melts. All right, I'm looking to sell NVIDIA for 4, and I'm looking to roll. Shit, I didn't get my 4 exit. I don't really want to short SPY until we give up 743. That's where bulls lose control. It was crazy because they flipped the daily today, actually. I'm going to set the alert on Microsoft here. I think Microsoft played hard to get, honestly. Because if I was going to buy any of the big techs here, I would buy this. So I think big boys are going to sneak this one. They're going to sneak a huge bid here soon. S&D cave took out the pre-market low. 15-minute flip in here. 65. This looks like it's going to roll over. Okay, I don't want to look at 40 anymore. I've taken all the profits I want to take. I want to ride the rest. What is with this stock's barely moving, but these premiums are pumping, dude. Like, they are pumping these premiums. And they bought the ask. Wait a second. 30-minute about to flip on NVIDIA. All the reasons to stay short are there. They're trying to set the high for SPY here. $106 is where this can really squeeze out of control to like 130 and try the high. What the fuck? They're pumping these premiums so much. I did roll MRK. And when they took those profits from me, I immediately rolled up. I took profits on MRK. Yeah. I don't like how they haven't flipped this weekly yet. But if they do, this thing could do wild shit. I'll just leave the one contract on. I'll chase it next week if we get a continuation. I don't really want to add. The thing about that move today, though, is we took those June swings, and just off this little bit of move, we were able to make our roll up completely free. So now we have free exposure to that move. If it does want to give the huge breakout of the bull flag, then so be it. Maybe I'll chase with some weeklies next week. We got the rejection here, headed lower. IBM. IBM not flipping the 15-minute, guys. I don't think there's an entry here, though. You kind of got to do a reclaim here. All right, chilling here for a moment. I'm looking at our AI right now to see what unusual options it's caught here. Someone loaded Oh, someone loaded the boat on Boeing puts. Holy. Wow. Was this China meeting and Boeing didn't get a deal and some market dumping it? Oh, that looks like a bear flag. It looks like a big bear flag setting up. Oh, okay. Well, that explains some things. They are low. They are loading up MRK. Actually, it's not just me. That's why premiums are spiking. RGTI getting unusual call buying here. What the fuck? 600,000 in charter calls. What the fuck just hit the tape? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hold up, guys. I'm in over my head. I'm in over my head. They bought. they bought 3,651 of the OI. 3,651% of the open interest and one order. What was the expiration? I'm trying to do a further investigation here. There it is. All right, I bought so those TTO calls are out in September. I went ahead and bought one of the 310s. They bought 25,000 of the 310 calls and 25,000 of the 270 calls. I bought the 310 just to keep a closer eye on it. Excuse me. Holy shit. I got my exit on NVIDIA. Patience one there. Guys, that's 121% on Ford today, 135% on RDW today, got 35% on NVIDIA today. Oh, shit. The only loser today was that Microsoft call. We got 30% on MRK. We rolled that for free. Oh, man, baby. 65% on Irene swings. I've been watching this one for dip buys, by the way. I think 70 is going to come soon, but it's pulling back. I got out this morning. Holy shit. Is it hype? Are we hype? Who's hype? Let's go. Make that fucking money, baby. Pay me what you owe me. What a piece of shit Microsoft is right now, though. For real. Real talk. By the way, the long-term chart here on Microsoft still looks fantastic. If we go to the daily here, I mean, this daily and the weekly about to get the confluence here. It looks like it wants a big pop through here. So if you wanted to catch some swings, it might be a good time to set those up. I'll be a little patient. Market is like, you got to give up this pre-market for me to get truly bearish. But I do think NVIDIA does look awful. So there's some nuance there, though. You know what's making a comeback that I haven't talked about at all that I've been watching is I do have a HIMS position. It looks like we've reclaimed this like bull flag setup. They took that to max pain. They really did. And they're trying to flip the daily. This might be where I want to add, but I don't think I want to add into the weekend. I think I want to come back Monday and see how this looks. I do have the alert here set at 25. That's when I actually still like that plan. Adding once we're over 25. ASTS defended the back test. It looks really trendy, honestly. IBM trying to do some work here, trying to make a comeback. It still doesn't look appetizing to me. Let's look at our heat map. So, holy shit, Palantir went from green to red. What's this chart look like? I mean, this thing still just got a ugly downtrend, guys. I mean, look at them. Every time they come up and test this, they shove it back down. I got the alert set for when this sets up. The thing is, this was supposed to be a short setup when it failed this back test, but that really wasn't even a good play. Like, they're really chopping this sideways. I don't know. Give Palantir some time. It might wake up. It doesn't look awful on the longer time frames, quite honestly. Like, surprisingly so. Oracle full puked from that move. Holy. A lot of this could just be people feeling touchy about going into the weekend. All right, so if you're wondering about IBM, by the way, I would just take a look at Dell, take a look at Intel. Every time the Trump admin buys this shit, they're taking it to the moon, and they put $1 billion into this one. The Billy. Actually, on the longer time frame, this is the back test at the key level here. So I don't know, man. I might try that with the stop at the low a day. I just don't know if I want to swing over the weekend. Maybe if SPY looked better, I would. Because this don't look great. They're holding up to 65 minute. Yeah, dude. 743. Gotta hold. If we lose basically this low a day, might size up pretty big in NVIDIA again. Kind of chilling. Ford could do so much more, man. It's so not done. David even flipped the weekly on Ford. Wait, I gotta. Oh god, this thing could go to 20, dude. It could go to 20. It could do it. I mean, we're up 141% here. I gotta take another partial here for 141%. Oh my god, I took the partial. It's at 158%. All right, I'm gonna start rolling this. This move is fucking unreal, dude. We're up 181% on Ford. I'm done taking partials, though, man. I let the rest run. Let's see. Let's see if we can get 300% on our runners. I mean, the rest of the position is completely free, and uh, and the rolls are free. Sorry, that was the worst I was looking for. Sorry, I'm not good at typing and talking. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, we're gonna end the stream. I'm gonna head over to the Discord. Check out the Discord if you want to talk to me. All right. Catch you guys later, bro.